Hello dear children. Now let's start our exercise 11.2. In this question also we will make a rule. Using the variable rewrite the following. This exercise you will do in book only. How can you do? Diameter of the circle is twice the radius. Diameter it means d. The diameter, the first letter it's d. We will represent this एज ए वेरिएबल इन डी. ओके, डायमीटर को डी से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. इसका मीन्स इक्वल होता है ट्वाइस द रेडियस. इट मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय आर. सो द फॉर्मूला, द रूल इट इज डी इज इक्वल टू 2 बाय आर. Now the next is perimeter of a rhombus. Rhombus is a shape of a square. So you know the formula of perimeter of a square, 4 multiplied by side. So we are using same formula for as a rhombus. Area of a rectangle with the dimension a and b. The dimension means length and the breadth it is given, and the length and the breadth dimension it is a and b. So you know the area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. So length multiplied by breadth you write it, but the length and the breadth it is given in this dimension, so write it a into b. It means ab. Perimeter of the decagon. Decagon means 10 sides जिसकी होती है. So 10 multiplied by side. Question number 2. The equal side of an isosceles triangle is shown by A and the unequal side as B. Express the perimeter of the triangle using A and B. So first we have to make an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle and that equal side are represented as a symbol of A. These are the equal side and unequal side represented by B. So how can we calculate a perimeter? Sum of all the sides. You just add them. A plus B. Now the same A. Remember always, if you can see the 1 plus 1, it become 2 now because these are the constant. If you can see the same variable, x plus x. So just add them. 1x and the 1x, it become 2x. Just keep in mind, if 3x plus x you can see it, then it become 4x. But the different variable it is given, we can't add them. हम उन्हें ऐड नहीं कर सकते. Okay, remember always see the same variable. So you can see here the same variable a plus a, so that it become 2a and then plus b. So that answer is 2a plus b. The side of a regular pentagon is denoted by L. The side को L से represent किया जाता है. And asking about the perimeter of pentagon. So pentagon number of side it is 5 and that 5 multiplied by side, it means side it is L. So that answer is 5 multiplied by L. Now the next question. Find the area and perimeter of regular quadrilateral of side S. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Area and the perimeter of regular quadrilateral. Regular quadrilateral, what is it? Rectangle तो नहीं हो सकता. क्या हो सकता है? Rhombus या square, जिसकी सारी sides क्या होती है? Equal होती है. Regular or irregular, there is a two type of the polygon is there. If when we are talking about the regular polygon, regular it is represent to all sides are equal, and when we are talking about irregular it is it depend on different sides of a polygons. So यहाँ पे regular polygon जिसकी सारी sides equal है, that is square. उसका नेम क्या हो गया? स्क्वायर. सो उसका एरिया क्या होगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाई एरिया साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड, that is area, and the perimeter, what is it? 4 multiplied by side. Now the next last question of this exercise. To find product of 3 number 4 to 7, we can have a two way. यहाँ हमारे पास में two way है. Using these are the product numbers and we have to make some situation. This situation it is given and we will write it. We may first multiply 4 and 2 to get 8. Then multiply by 7 to get final product as 56. Not understand? Just see. 4 को multiply किया 2 से. We first multiply 4 and 2 to get 8. To get 8. मिल गया 8. Now 8 को this is the first step क्योंकि two way, it is a two way, and the second way after getting that answer just multiply by 7, then you will get here 56. Is it correct? सही है. 8 7 जा क्या होता है? 56 होता है. Now the next question, we may multiply 2 by 7. The first step 2 by 7 to get 14 मिला. Now second step then multiply by 4. 14 को 4 से multiply किया, then you will get here 56. Now the one more thing that is given, thus 4 into 2 into 7, 4 into 2 into 7. This can be done for any three number. ये किसी भी 3 number के साथ में कर सकते हैं. Express this property in general way by using variable of A, B and C. If you remind the properties, commutative property थी एक associative property. Commutative property is depend on only 2 number. Now associative properties depend on 3 number. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 2, this is the property name is associative property, and how we will write in general way? C, A, B and C using multiplication operation, A into B into C. Just first and 2 digit put a bracket and then last 2 digit put a bracket. So do this exercise in book only. Thank you.